Hello people, I wanted to have a video tutorial how to fix one of the errors because I got a graphics card which is still compatible to do video encoding because this graphics card will still be working okay and lots of RAM and that CPU. There's one setting and also I wanted to show you what error it is. Failed to open that type of codec. I know how to fix that and I will show you what is supposed to deselect because they mentioned it in update release. I will show you in a minute because I didn't talk about it. Okay, I will have to show you. Currently does not support the rescale feature in advanced output mode. After checking it, I knew exactly what to do. In settings, you have to go to output recording and you have to rescale output. You have to deselect that. You will still have high quality video, but check other settings in output recording. When you choose a recording format MOV, that codec, if you have 2K resolution monitor, you can choose encoder settings for high quality disc, 7000 frame rates per second high quality. And in advanced, I left settings like that. Color range full, color space, that one, but you can choose different, it's up to you. But don't forget to uncheck rescale output.